Porsche 911 GT3 is designed for those who crave an unmatched combination of everyday usability and track-ready performance. It is part of Porsche's 911 family, which has been around since 1964, but it stands apart from more civilian variants like the Carrera and Turbo models. The GT3 is engineered to deliver unparalleled driving dynamics, with a naturally aspirated engine, rear-wheel drive, and a chassis honed for precision and agility. The 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 is a masterpiece of engineering, offering a combination of performance, design, and driving pleasure that is unmatched in its class. With its naturally aspirated engine, precision handling, and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 911 GT3 is a true driver's car that continues to push the boundaries of what a production sports car can achieve. Porsche has consistently refined and evolved the GT3 over the years. Each generation brings with it new innovations, often born from the automaker's extensive motorsport experience. In 2025, the GT3 is not just a faster or more capable car, it's an evolution of the visceral driving experience that defines the brand. With the 2025 version, Porsche has fine-tuned every element, from the aerodynamics to the suspension, powertrain, and technology, to create a machine that is faster, more refined, and more responsive than. The exterior of the 2025 911 GT3 is a blend of form and function. The front end features a more sculpted bumper with larger air intakes to facilitate better airflow to the engine and braking system. The wider front fenders, which are a hallmark of the GT3, not only enhance the car's aggressive stance but also increase the tire width for better grip. The rear of the car showcases a prominent rear wing with adjustable settings, which helps to manage airflow and provide downforce at high speeds. This wing is a direct result of Porsche's motorsport expertise, providing optimal performance on both the track and the street. The rear diffuser and the additional vents in the rear quarter panels contribute to cooling and stability, ensuring that the car remains balanced and composed at high speeds. The car sits on lightweight, forged aluminum wheels that are not only visually striking but also reduce unsprung weight, contributing to a more agile driving experience. The car's exterior is available in a wide range of colors, from more traditional shades like Guards Red and Carrera White to vibrant hues like Python Green and Shark Blue. The interior of the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 strikes a balance between a track-focused layout and the luxurious touches expected from a Porsche. The cabin is minimalist, with an emphasis on reducing weight and providing maximum driver engagement. Carbon fiber trim, bucket-style seats, and a dashboard that houses a central, high-resolution touchscreen for the infotainment system reflect the car's performance-oriented nature. The interior materials are high quality, with options for leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber inserts, depending on the buyer's preferences. The steering wheel is designed to be as responsive as possible, with a thicker rim for a firmer grip, and is adorned with a central marker to aid in track-oriented precision. The instrument cluster is dominated by a large tachometer, which is the centerpiece of the display, while other vital data like vehicle speed, oil temperature, and tire pressure are displayed digitally in smaller screens around it. The seats, while comfortable, are designed with a focus on lateral support. The standard seats, made from carbon fiber, provide the support needed for high-performance driving, although optional adaptive sports seats are available for those who desire more adjustability. At the heart of the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 lies its naturally aspirated 4.0-liter six-cylinder engine. This engine is one of the key defining features of the car, offering a driving experience that is completely different from turbocharged rivals. The naturally aspirated design allows for a more immediate throttle response and an engine note that excites and thrills with every rev. The The 2025 911 GT3 retains its naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine, which has been carefully refined for maximum power and responsiveness. The engine produces 502 horsepower and 470 Nm, 347 lb-ft, of torque, which is routed to the rear wheels through either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission. This powertrain combination allows the GT3 to reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, with the PDK version achieving this time in a slightly quicker manner. The 2025 GT3 is an absolute performance powerhouse. Thanks to its lightweight construction, low center of gravity, and an emphasis on aerodynamics, it excels both on the road and on track days. The car's rear-wheel drive configuration and responsive handling make it an incredibly engaging car to drive, offering a communicative experience that's unmatched by many in its segment. In terms of performance, the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 is a true powerhouse. The car accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds when equipped with the PDK transmission, and it can reach a top speed of over 200 miles per hour. This makes the GT3 one of the quickest and most capable production cars on the market, with the ability to decimate lap times on the track while still being usable as a daily driver. The 6-speed manual transmission adds a level of engagement and purity that is often lost in modern performance cars with dual-clutch systems. Porsche has carefully engineered the gearbox to provide short, precise shifts that require minimal effort, offering the perfect balance of old-school analog feel with modern engineering precision. The 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 features an advanced suspension system that includes double wishbone front suspension, a multi-link rear setup, and Porsche's active suspension management, PASM. This allows the car to maintain exceptional stability and responsiveness, whether on the street or at the racetrack. The adaptive suspension dampers automatically adjust based on driving conditions, allowing for a comfortable ride around town while still providing precise and firm handling when the car is pushed hard on twisty roads or a racetrack. The rear-wheel steering system also enhances agility at low speeds and stability at high speeds, allowing for sharp turns and predictable behavior when cornering. The 911 GT3 also benefits from an excellent braking system, with carbon ceramic composite brakes, PCCB, available as an option. These lightweight brakes offer incredible stopping power and resist brake fade, making them ideal for track use. While the 911 GT3 is primarily focused on delivering a pure, raw driving experience, Porsche has not neglected the importance of technology. The 2025 model includes a suite of features aimed at improving convenience, connectivity, and driving performance. The infotainment system in the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 is based on Porsche's Communication Management (PCM) system, which features a high-resolution 10.9-inch touchscreen display. The system is compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing for seamless smartphone integration. Additionally, the system includes navigation, a premium sound system, and various driving modes that allow the driver to customize the car's settings according to their preferences. Though the GT3 is primarily a performance machine, Porsche has incorporated some modern driver assistance technologies for added convenience and safety. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera. While these systems are useful for daily driving, they can be turned off when the car is on the track, allowing for a more focused and engaging driving experience. What truly sets the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 apart from other sports cars is its exceptional driving experience. Whether on the road or the track, the GT3 offers a level of performance, precision, and engagement that is hard to match. On the street, the GT3 feels like a precision instrument. It is quick, but not overly aggressive in its demeanor. The ride is firm, but still comfortable enough for long trips. The engine is always ready to unleash its full power, and the gearbox delivers quick, satisfying shifts. The steering is extremely direct and provides a level of feedback that is almost telepathic, making every corner feel like an opportunity for pure driving enjoyment. On the track, the 2025 Porsche 911 GT3 truly shines. The car feels perfectly balanced, with precise handling, a willing engine, and a chassis that is set up for maximum performance. The PDK gearbox shifts seamlessly, and the car's lightweight construction allows it to change direction with remarkable agility. The brakes are incredibly strong, and the car maintains its composure even under heavy braking and high-speed cornering. Porsche's motorsport expertise is evident in the GT3's performance on the track, with the car feeling at home on a racetrack as much as it does on the road. The rear-wheel steering system, adaptive suspension, and adjustable aerodynamics all contribute to making the GT3 an extremely capable machine that can handle high-speed corners and tight hairpins with equal precision. Although the GT3 is built primarily for track performance, it still comes with a host of safety features. Standard equipment includes multiple airbags, traction and stability control systems, and Porsche's Porsche Stability Management (PSM) system. The GT3 also offers a full suite of modern driver assistance features, including optional adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and front and rear collision warning. On the tech front, the 2025 GT3 is equipped with Porsche's Communication Management (PCM) system, which allows for easy integration of mobile devices, navigation, and other media. The PCM also features an advanced audio system, but the primary focus remains on delivering a pure driving experience, with fewer distractions than in more mainstream models.